Data Science Fundamentals with Python and SQL Specialization. It's one of IBM's great courses and I think more people should know about it. Currently around 40,000 students joined it. But here is the question, should you join too? Or will you be better off choosing a different program on Coursera? My name is Daniel and the topic of this video is Data Science Fundamentals with Python and SQL Specialization by IBM. Here are the things I am going to cover today. Course overview, course content, pricing and certification, career opportunities. Traditionally, we will talk about student reviews and I will share my own opinion on this specialization program. Also guys, I will leave all course-related links in the description below, so feel free to check them out after watching this video. Let's begin. Course overview. The demand for data science jobs is booming thanks to constant technological progress. Just 10 years ago, it was hard to find any data science degrees, online courses or even bootcamps available. But today you can enroll in courses that not only teach you Python, but also equip you with valuable data science skills. And the program I am going to talk about today is a great option to consider. So guys, let's see what it's all about. The first thing I would like to say about it is that it's not a comprehensive certification program, because this specialization is there to help you get familiar with the basics of data science using Python and SQL. These basics include open source tools, Python, statistical analysis, SQL and relational databases. But it's not all the theory, guys. The great thing about this program is that you will also gain hands-on experience using real data science tools and actual data sets. That's why people is really one of those solid basic programs that prepare you for advanced data science concepts and complex projects. Instructors. Okay, and now let me say a few words about the course instructors. Guys, I have reviewed many IBM courses here, and you probably know IBM is consistent in having expert teams for their courses. And this one is no different. In this case, there are 8 professors from IBM. But they are not just instructors. They are data scientists, developers and educators with degrees and real-world experience. The leader of this super professional team is Murtaza Haider. This remarkable guy holds several professorships at multiple universities, and one of them is in data science. He is also an analytics researcher and an author of the book called Getting Started with Data Science – Making Sense of Data with Analytics. So, as you can see, with this specialization program you get to learn from people who know their stuff. Enrollment Requirements. My friends, I am glad to tell you that this course series is very beginner-friendly. It was designed with complete newbies in mind. Course content. Guys, before we move on, I try to make educational content in an entertaining way, make it fun instead of boring. And in return, I just ask to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. That's all. Alright folks, and now let's look at what kind of content this program offers. I think it's important to know that it's not a huge program, because it's just an introductory course series. That's why you won't find tons of complex content here. This specialization program includes 5 courses. Here they are: Tools for Data Science, Python for Data Science, AI and Development, Python Projects for Data Science, Statistics for Data Science with Python, and Databases and SQL for Data Science with Python. From what I have seen, it's well-structured little program that takes you through data science basics step by step. Guys, keep in mind, it's not complicated, but this doesn't mean it's without valuable information. There is quite a lot of important content here. These courses take from 8 to 26 hours to complete, and the bigger ones are divided into small modules. I was really glad to see that this specialization has a solid practical part. There are practical quizzes, graded quizzes, hands-on labs and practical projects. These projects include using the Python library pandas to pull out and visualize financial data, analyzing census data to uncover trends in housing and conduct statistical tests, using SQL to query various data sets, investigating factors affecting school-related aspects like enrollment, safety, health and environment ratings. And of course, guys, you can add these projects to your portfolio, price and certification. Now let's discuss the cost of enrollment in this specialization program. Similar to many courses on Coursera, it's not free. To get started, you will need to subscribe on a monthly basis. And it's important to know one thing, guys. Like all IBM courses, this program isn't covered by Coursera Plus. Moving on to certification. After you successfully finish all the courses, you will receive valuable IBM badge. This achievement can significantly enhance your LinkedIn profile and resume. Moreover, I found an additional benefit. The American Council of Education, or ACE, has given its approval to this program. Folks, this recognition means you have the opportunity to earn college credit from the University of Massachusetts. And I think for someone it could be quite valuable perk. Career opportunities. People often ask me in the comments, Daniel, can this course help me get a job? Alright, in this case I have to say, not really, because this is more like the first step towards your career. And this specialization isn't designed to make you instantly job ready. It's more like introduction to data science with Python and SQL for beginners. But don't get me wrong. Having an IBM certificate will still look pretty good on your LinkedIn profile and your resume. But in my opinion, the skills you get here matter more to potential employers than the certificate itself. And of course, you will need to keep improving your skills, getting additional course series and preparing for interviews to land the dream job. And of course, watching videos like this one helps a lot too. Student reviews. Alright, and now, as I promised, let's see what student feedback for this specialization is like. It has a decent rating of 4.6 out of 5. Many students love that it's really beginner-friendly and easy to follow. Moreover, it looks like they enjoy the practical assignments too. And here is one of the 5-star reviews. Classes have been short and very helpful and descriptive. And the hands-on lab practices give a perfect chance to practice all the stuff, whatever we learn, so not just concept. But we get practical experiences. However, the assignment was a little tough, but without hard work and getting stuck, it will be worthless learning. Just wanna thank all the creators for such a great course. On the other hand, some students say that had a problem working with IBM tools like DB2 Cloud App. This course does a good job at introducing SQL and use for Jupyter notebooks for database connections. However, the amount of time wasted struggling with the IBM DB2 Cloud platform rendered my efforts less than productive. It appears from the forum that other students were running up against the same issues. So guys, keep that in mind and don't forget to do your own research. Or watch video reviews like this one, it could help a lot. Is data science fundamentals with Python and SQL worth it? Okay, and finally let's sum it up and answer the last question for today. Is this specialization program worth spending time and money? Here is the thing, folks, if you're a beginner when it comes to data science, I think this program would be great for you. It makes a reasonable first step on your way to career in the field. On the other hand, if you already have some experience with data science concepts and skills, especially with Python and SQL, you might find this program boring. And in this case, I would recommend finding a more advanced learning program. Luckily, I reviewed many of them. You can easily find them on my channel. Alright, my friends, that's all about the data science fundamentals with Python and SQL specialization by IBM. I left all useful links in the description below, make sure to check them out. Don't forget to like this video, thanks for watching, until next time.